Today we are going to learn how to draw a princess dress. Let's start. Today you are going to see in this video then how can you can draw simple, easy princess dresses. These dresses you can easily draw on your notebook, on your drawing book. Here are so many dresses, very different and unique, that you can easily draw, especially girls and kids can easily draw these dresses, these princess dresses. Most of them are really simple and unique and different, that you can easily draw on your notebook and drawing book. After drawing these dresses, you can color them according to your choice to make them more attractive. They are all very simple. Some gowns are also here that you can draw. Different princess gown, frock, short skirt. You can draw and then color it by your choice. Most of them are really simple, unique. Some are long, some dresses are short. If you want to draw something different dress for your princess, then you can draw some of them, because most of dresses are simple and unique. Small dresses, long dresses for your princess. You can make these dresses more attractive by coloring. These all dresses you can draw easily. They are especially for kids. They are not very difficult to draw. Practice makes you perfect. You can draw them again and again